Hello everyone. So today we start in the enzyme chapter, therapeutic uses of enzymes. So therapeutic means what? It is the treatment in disease. ठीक है, of treatment of disease में what is the role of
some
the
enzymes are
enzymes
used
today
in
we
the
will see
treatment of
this. Some disease of human being. For example, first we see a bacterial asparginase. Bacterial asparginase, it is used in the treatment of some type of leukemia. Asparginase enzyme, it hydrolyzes the aspargines to aspartic acid. This aspargine is necessary for the formation of leukemic white blood cells. Then the second is chymotrypsin. It is used in ophthalmology for dissolving ligaments of the lens during the extraction of cataract and to make inflammation and edema subside. The third is collagenase. It is used for cleaning the wound of removing dead tissue of dermal ulcers and severe burns. Fibrinolysin, it is used in the venous thrombosis, pulmonary and arterial embolism. Embolism is the blood clot carried by pulmonary artery. Then hyaluronidase, it is used to promote the rapid absorption of drugs injected subcutaneously. It acts by depolarizing hyaluronic acid and increasing tissue permeability. It is used in the treatment of traumatic or post-operative edema. Lysozyme, it is an antibiotic found in human tears and egg white. It is used in the infection of eye. It has antibacterial action and it also acts on cellulose of bacteria. Penicillinase, it is bacterial enzyme. It is used for the treatment of person who are allergic to penicillin. It destroys penicillin. Then streptokinase and urokinase, they are used in myocardial infarction to dissolve blood clot or purulent material. Purulent material, it is pus related material. It also causes fibrinolysis. Trypsin, it is an proteolytic enzyme and is used to clean the wounds by dissolving purulent material and in the treatment of acute thrombophlebitis, that is a blood clot and an inflammation in vein, to dissolve the blood clot. Renin, it is used in the treatment of gastric achilia. Achilia is a condition where there is totally absence of gastric secretion. Other enzymes like pepsin, trypsin, peptidase, lipase, amylase, elastase and cellulose are also used in gastrointestinal tract disorders and chronic pancreatitis. Now the second, that is therapeutic uses, we have finished. Now we come to the analytical uses of enzyme. Analytical uses, enzyme is of two types, that is it is used as a reagent and enzymes are also used as a labels. So the first, it is enzyme which are used as reagent. In addition to the measurement of serum enzyme activity for the diagnosis and management of disease, enzymes are widely used in the clinical laboratory as reagent for the estimation of serum constituents, like in the estimation of glucose oxidase peroxidase enzyme are used. In cholesterol oxidase peroxidase are used. In this way, many enzymes are used as a reagent in the estimation of different serum constituents. Then next is enzymes that are used as labels. Many enzymes have been used as label in various immunoassay, that is enzyme linked immunoabsorption assay, that is ELISA, for the determination of serum concentration of drugs, hormones or other compounds of interest. Commonly used enzymes are glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, alkaline phosphatase, beta galactosidase, peroxidase. These are all enzymes that are used as labels in ELISA estimation, serum concentration estimation, that is ELISA by immunoassay ELISA method. Then enzymes which are used as reagent, the first one, you can see that alcohol dehydrogenase, it is used in the assay of ethanol. Lactate dehydrogenase, it is used in the assay of lactate. glucose oxidase peroxidase, that is GOD POD. It is used in the treatment of glucose. Hexokinase and glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase, it is used in creatinine kinase estimation. Then uricase, it is used in uric acid estimation. Urease, it is used in urea estimation. Cholesterol oxidase and peroxidase, it is used in cholesterol estimation. Lipase, glycerol kinase, glycerol phosphate dehydrogenase, that are used in triacyl glycerol estimation. Thank you very much. So before this, you can also watch the video about the diagnostic role also. For these references, I have used Pankaja Nayak book. Thank you very much. You can please subscribe, like and share my videos.